Welcome to The Laws of Poetry, Unlocking the Art. This video will explore the fundamental principles that govern poetic composition and touch upon crucial legal considerations for creators. Our scope includes exploring meter and rhythm, rhyme and sound, and the role of form and structure. We will also cover imagery, language, economy, precision, and the concept of fair use in poetry. What are the laws of poetry? They are the guiding principles that shape rhythm, sound, meaning, and form. These laws are flexible guidelines, not rigid rules, and understanding them deepens our appreciation and mastery of poetic expression. Learning these laws provides empowered innovation, allowing poets to push boundaries confidently. It enhances critical reading, deepens appreciation, and boosts creative communication skills applicable across diverse fields. Law 1 is the law of meter and rhythm, the heartbeat of poetry. Meter is the pattern of stressed and unstressed syllables. Rhythm gives poetry musicality and profound emotional impact, guiding the reader's journey through the verse. Law 2 is the law of rhyme and sound. Rhyme schemes create harmony and coherence. Sound devices like alliteration enhance texture and sonic richness. Pose the Raven is a great example of using sound devices for a haunting effect. Law 3 is the law of form and structure. Traditional forms challenge poets to innovate within boundaries. Structure guides the flow of the poem and the reader's experience. Even free verse adheres to an internal logic, creating its own unique structure. Law 4 is the law of imagery and language, focusing on evocative power. Poetry uses vivid imagery and precise language to evoke powerful emotions. Metaphors and symbolism enrich meaning beyond the literal. Sylvia Plath's work is known for its stark imagery. Law 5 is the law of economy and precision. Every word must count. Brevity is key for maximum impact. Economy sharpens meaning and intensifies emotional resonance. This practice hones clarity, a universal skill in communication. Finally, we consider the role of fair use in poetry. Poets often remix and allude to other works. The Code of Best Practices offers guidance for ethical and legal use, fostering innovation while respecting original creators. Embrace the laws as your creative toolkit to wield your power effectively. Great poetry balances discipline with freedom and tradition with bold invention. Start your poetic adventure today. Read, write, experiment, and share your voice.